Welcome back, everyone. We are now at the learning objective number 3. Now, it is time for the marketing glow-up. We are making a massive shift in today's marketing landscape. The traditional 4 Ps of marketing, product, price, place, and promotion, are having a huge change. For today's digital commerce we are shifting to the 4 Cs. Let's unlock this new strategy. First, let's do a vibe check on traditional marketing. The old way was rigid. That was the time a company would make a product, stick a fixed price on it, and tell you to drive to a physical store to buy it after hearing a radio ad. But look at the right side of your screen. Today, we have moved to a dynamic consumer ecosystem. Instead of saying, buy our product, businesses ask, what solution do you actually need, and how can we bring it directly to you? That brings us to the transition number 1. Shifting from a static product to dynamic consumer solutions. A product is no longer just a physical cardboard box. It is a complete dynamic ecosystem wrapped in service layers and personalization. This page shows exactly what this means. You don't buy a physical CD anymore. You buy a vibe. Look at Spotify. The product isn't just the song. The algorithm knows you've been listening to sad Indonesian pop all week, so it personalizes your For You page. It even adds a social layer so you can share real-time karaoke lyrics to your Instagram stories. Another example, think about the ZUS Coffee app. You aren't just buying a cup of coffee, which is a static product. You are buying a solution to your morning rush, using an app that remembers your exact sugar preference and lets you skip the queue. Next is the second transition, moving from a fixed price to a dynamic cost to satisfy. Sticking a permanent RM15 price tag on an item is outdated. Today, pricing is fluid and value-based. Algorithms adjust the cost in real time based on actual user demand. Here is a perfect local example. Imagine you are on campus in Samarahan. On a sunny day, an e-hailing ride to the LRT station is RM8. But when a 5 p.m. monsoon downpour hits, real-time demand spikes, and the price jumps to RM24. You aren't paying for the physical distance. You're paying the algorithm's calculated cost to satisfy, your urgent need to stay dry. This is exactly how platforms like Grab Malaysia operate. Moving to the third transition, shifting from place to convenience. In the digital era, location isn't a street address anymore. It is wherever your thumb is. We have moved from physical stores to having an omni-channel presence, where access points like mobile apps are omnipresent. Let's look at something we all love, boba. Let's walk through the omni-channel boba journey. Step 1 is all about awareness. Imagine you're just relaxing, scrolling through your social feed, and you see a fun video of someone reviewing a delicious boba tea. Instantly, you crave it. The journey has officially begun. Next is omnipotent access. In the past, you'd have to search for a store, but not anymore. Without even leaving the app, you just tap the TikTok shop or hit the link in the creator's bio to order. Now for step 3, omnichannel integration. This is where the digital world meets the physical world. Your order is confirmed on your phone, and the app connects to your local map, letting you select the Summer Mall store for pickup. Step 4 is the result, a frictionless reality. You walk into the mall, skip the massive queue, and your boba is already waiting for you. So what's the big lesson here? In an omnichannel world, the place of business wasn't the physical mall. The place was your social feed. The mall is just the fulfillment center. And that is omnichannel in action. Finally, the fourth transition, changing promotion to communication. Traditional promotion was a one-way megaphone shouting at a brick wall. Now, it is a two-way social loop of inbound marketing and social advocacy. Look at this another example. A highway billboard gets 0 engagement, but a lively comment section builds huge loyalty. That is what the fourth C now is, vibing. Let's summarize this with our MKT243 Vibe Check Matrix on this screen. You might want to screenshot this. We can call it like a boomer marketing, the 4 Ps, pushes a static product at a fixed price at a physical place using one-way promotion. But today's digital marketing, of course we can call it the Gen Z commerce, provides a dynamic solution with a fluid cost to satisfy through omnipresent convenience driven by two-way communication. And here is today's reality. AI is the engine driving all of this. Artificial intelligence reads social sentiment for your communication, uses predictive UI for convenience, and generates hyper-personalized solutions instantly. This era, if you aren't using data to satisfy the 4 Cs, your business simply doesn't exist. To wrap up this topic, here is the ultimate golden rule for digital commerce. Stop trying to sell a product at a place. Start communicating a solution right where your customers already are. Thank you so much for paying attention, guys. Let's take a quick breather before moving on to the next video.